It is a compact set of 25 micro screwdrivers for electronic applications by Wera. The set comes in a robust and compact roll bag with hook and loop fastener strip. Rotating cap located at the very top of the handle speeds up the work and makes it more convenient. Handle of each screwdriver can be divided into 3 zones: the precision zone, the power zone, and the fast turning zone. Each screwdriver is color-coded according to profile and size of the stamp. The set consists of screwdrivers of following types: 3 Phillips, 2 nut drivers, 4 hexagon sockets, 6 slotted, 1 lifting fork, 1 micro strix, 1 IPR Torx Plus, 2 Torx and 5 Torx with holding function. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.